How to limit choices in Google Forms. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how we can limit choices. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is, for example, we have a multiple choice question and we are basically setting up to be sort of like a type of tickets maybe, and they are just going to sell out in 2 to 3 times. And the other one, let me just go ahead and show you in more detail because I can't really explain that well. So here we have 4 different options. Or let's just go here. Let's pretend these are tiers of tickets. We have bronze, silver, and gold, and so on. So let's say I can only have 3 responses for gold, 2 for silver, and 1 for bronze, or actually the opposite. But you get the idea. So how do we actually do that and limit them? It's actually very simple and easy to do. We just need to get an app for it. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. So just open up the form that you want to use that for. Click on the 3 dots right next to your profile picture and just click on Get Add-ons. From here, we are just going to look up choice limit space. So choice space limit. And then we should find the limit choice app, which should be down here if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, let me just go ahead and find it actually. Okay, so it's actually this one. I don't know why I was completely lost for a sec, but you can actually go ahead and get this one, choice eliminator. So we just go ahead and click on install for this one and just go ahead and allow them to access your Google Forms basically. Give it a sec, it shouldn't really take too long here. And we can just go ahead and get started by setting it up. So to set things up, you will need to just go ahead and open up the add-ons section on the top over your screen here. And we should have the name for this one right here. So just go ahead and open it up. I did not even click on it, but here, if you just go ahead and click on it, you will need to click on start. And now it's just going to start for us. And it's just going to open up the pop-up here, which was here in a sec earlier. And we are just going to see now the options that we have. So what type of service you're looking for. We can actually go ahead and set up the number limit. So actually, let's set it up so that we want this question here, which is select the day and time for some reason. Let's just say we want to limit the responses so that the gold is only 1, accepting only 1 response. Silver is accepting 2 and bronze is accepting 3. Okay. So we can just go to the question, which is select the day and time. So we can just go ahead and do number limit. And then we can just go ahead and start adding it. So with the bronze, we want to allow 3 different. Okay, just go ahead and change it for me because it's just going to change the type of question here. But you could have just said no if you don't want to. And anyway, we are just going to do the same thing here. We just click on number limit, and then here for bronze we just wanted to accept 3 responses, silver 2, and gold is going to accept only 1 response. And if you want to also set these up if you want, it's completely up to you. And now it's pretty much good to go. It's turned on, and whenever people try to respond to this form, they can only accept 1 response for gold, 2 for silver, and 3 for bronze. And you can also set up the other questions here as well. So what type of service you're looking for, which is the first question. Again, just do a number limit and you can just go ahead and start doing it. So you can see here, switching to a drop down is only going to boost reliability, but it doesn't mean that the multiple choice is actually not going to work. So I'm just going to this time click on no, keep everything as it is, and we can just go ahead and start adding the limit for the options. And you can also just go ahead and set up 1 limit for all of them. It's just going to be all of them are 5. So this, as you can see, we have a tick here, and we also have a tick here, and for the rest of them, not really. So that means it's just working for these 2. So we are pretty much good to go here. All changes are saved. And now the responses are limited to the numbers we have just set. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.